Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get QR code on Xero. So first you may want to head over to Xero and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon, then click on account. This will then redirect you to your account settings page. Now for you to be able to get your Xero QR code, scroll down from the settings page, then look for the multi-factor authentication settings. Then just beside it, click on Setup. Now from here, you will have two options to verify your account or use it for multi-factor authentication. Regardless which of these two you will choose, you will get a QR code that you can use for verification. Now just click on the button beside your chosen app, and from here you can see the QR code that you can scan to be able to add your account to the app. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!